You should definitely take out the monolithics on all your peripherals and even motherboards. I haven't run into anyone that complains about having them removed when I sell the boards, so I do it. And I get, like in one of my other videos, I get about $4 an ounce on those things. I recently saw a video where the guy gets about $80 per pound, which is not that bad. It's a little more than what I get on these, but definitely take them out. They're worth it. Definitely worth more than $1.50 per pound on peripheral boards. Let's see. Another drive. And actually, I forgot to mention on these drives, on these Blu-ray drives, the laser on these are pretty good because you get gold here. You can remove this and sell it as a gold-tipped connector or refine it yourself. There's a little small peripheral board, some wiring. That's pretty good. I know the shell of these lasers are aluminum. But another fun thing, they have a diode. Not sure if you can see it. There's a diode here that looks, when you remove it, looks like this. You can see there's all sorts of gold on it. Connectors are gold. Kind of hard to see on the camera. I can't get it to focus, but there's definitely gold on these little guys, and I remove them all. I keep the bad lasers and I remove them. But for the video, for the purpose of the video, because you can't really take those out and measure them and see how much they're actually worth, I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to sell it as is, as a scrap metal, and it's going to be part of my scrap metal pile. So we get a little Wi-Fi board here, a little piece of metal on it, nice little peripheral board. What I do with these, I take out these two chips and sell them in my IC chip pile. Also has some gold here on this little gold connector, gold here. A lot better than the card reader, I find, on this one. With a little bit more value, but yeah, here you go. So again, look, pretty easy. Snaps off. And it's a little IC chip there. Get about $5 a pound approximately, more or less. So it's worth taking these guys out because they come out so easy. Here you go. Here's another part from a Blu-ray. Gold tipped wire here, little motor, whatnot. Oh, look at this guy. Little board full of rust. Someone dropped this in water. Definitely doesn't work.